This video we're going to do a partial sale and then show returning it. So I hit F5 for point of sale and I'm typing in my customer to find, and if they don't exist, obviously I could add them on the fly, but I'm going to just use the existing customer, choose sales invoice, go ahead and type in the items that I am selling to this customer. And then for collect, I'm going to collect $200, so I'm not collecting the full $647.08. Hitting F12, I'm just going to say paid by cash. And note that the invoice reference is 1041 because we're doing a sale, and then automatically returning it right away here. So again, that was a charge invoice. If I go under customer history and look up my customer, it shows that they still owe $447.08. So let's say they turn around and want to return those items. So under modules returns, merchandise return, I can key in that invoice number, which is easiest because it pulls up the customer automatically and goes right to the items on that invoice. Or I can leave blank and search the customer. If I would have left it blank, there would be no items displaying. I could still search by invoice or click show all items, and it will show all their purchase history. So what I typically want to do first, and there's a system variable for this auto reduce invoice balance will automatically reduce any charge sale invoices. So I'm going to right click and tag all items because I'm returning everything on this invoice. And you should see that the total to return is $647.08. That is the total of the sale that we're returning. But really, we're only returning $200. Since I have auto reduce invoice balance selected, it will automatically apply the remaining $447 as a credit and alleviate that open charge sale. If I did not have this checked, then it would ask how do I want to refund the $447, in which case we should choose credit invoice, and then you would have to go in and apply that credit to the debit. So since we're checking this is the easiest. So as I hit save, then it's going to ask how do I want to return this $200. We're choosing cash and posting, and that is completed. So if I go under customer point of sale again, we'll see that there is no balance available. So I'm just going to do that same sale again just so you can see what it looks like without the auto reduce invoice balance, collecting the same $200 and paying by cash again. So now modules returns, merchandise return, and this time I'll skip the invoice and pull up the customer, and we can show all items, and I know it was this invoice here. So there is no auto reduce balance, but I still know that they paid $200. So I'm going to hit save. At this point I would type in $200 cash and then $447.08 credit invoice, and I would post that. So now if I look under the customer's history, I'm just going to hit F5 for point of sale, and you'll see there's a charge sale and a credit. So now I have to manually apply that credit by going under open accounts and then put in the $447.08, or I could just simply check this to say that I'm paying that full amount. F12 and apply credit invoice, select and post. So as you see, the posting for the merchandise return for auto reduce invoice balance is the easiest way to go for charge sales. Thanks.